Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Hope you had a great weekend. Good news, Apex just announced another 80% off sale, and it's basically going for most of this month. So for the next couple weeks, 80% off. That is recurring as well. So that's a pretty decent offer from them. I would say their second best offer. Obviously, their best is 90%, but I'll take 80 as well. And resets are now 50 bucks. So what that means is that based on your account size, it might be cheaper to just get a brand new account instead of using the reset button for $50. So make sure you're doing the math on that and do what makes sense according to the numbers. There's a link and coupon code for you down below should you need a new account, another account, whatever it might be. So let's take a look at these things. We came back to start this week with some really teensy tiny ranges today, and this NASDAQ was giving me nothing but trouble this morning. If we jump down to the 2-minute time frame, so this is the open right here. Initial move down on the open. So I was looking to do an open range breakout. I did not take this first one. This wick went just slightly below. And if you did take that one, it might not have worked out for you because it bounced right back up. We did get some decent push on that next candle, but if you were actually waiting on it to do the, official open range, you would have missed about half the candle. So then it just got silly from that point forward. Red, green, red, green, red, green, etc. And tons of wicks. This is not my favorite situation here. So I basically hit my max loss in this section, and that was before it got anything going to the upside. So I was not in it for that. So if we go back up to the daily time frame, what I like to do is see what actually is moving. Now, Bitcoin up over 4%. That looks amazing. Okay, we did flip that parabolic SAR indicating potential further move up. And you can see we've got some room to run. I mean, this is our next destination here, right around up at those highs from when was this? Back in December. Nice gap up after the weekend. So that's a way better move than any of the indexes. Additionally, let's see what else. So corn is down over 2%. That's a little bit consolidated, but not terrible. I mean, still looking pretty bad to the short side. If you prefer the short side, you might want to take a look at corn. Wheat, I would say corn would be the better one. This is kind of just messing around with the daily cloud, but technically a fresh short did just come out of that daily cloud after going into it on Friday. So I would just wait and see on that one. What else do we have over here? Oof, look at this. Platinum. Oh man, that's gorgeous. Okay. This looks amazing. It's above everything that we care about, and it's just gone up and up and up. Let's see. I don't track platinum very much. I've never actually traded it. So let's see where we have come from. Let me add a little bit of data onto here. All right. Oh, check this out. Okay, so we're about here, and look at that resistance point. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's technically going to be our first destination. Up here is going to be our second target, around 1284, but we have tons of room to grow. I mean, look at this, way, way, way up. That was back in what, 2014. So that's been a minute ago, but lots of room to run on this. If you trade platinum, let me know in the comments down below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? How does it move? Maybe I'll check it out. Remember to grab your Apex accounts while they're on sale. Link and coupon code is down below for you. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.